R. Vitalvero.
Allow me to read to you the citation. Eastern Visayas Association of School Paper Advisors, Ibasta Inc. presents this plaque of appreciation to Evelyn R. Vitalvero, Regional Director, DepEd Region 8, for inspiring campus journalists and school paper advisors as the keynote speaker during the 2024 Regional Schools Press Conference held on May 1 to 4, 2024, called Bayag City, given this first day of May 2024 at City Arts and Culture Office or Capo Theater, called Bayag City. Signed, Raymond V. Rimandaban, President. Signed, Ronald R. Cabigon, Chairman of the Board of Directors.
Raymond E. Rimandaban, Evasta Vice President and Chairman of the Board of Directors, Ronald R. Cabigon. Also have Josephine Al Contapay, Evasta Corporate Treasurer, and Raespa Treasurer. Mary J. M. Adorador, Evasta Corporate Editor. Angelo R. Tampon, Evasta Corporate Communications Officer. Don Bernard L. Napasi, Evaspa Corporate Secretary. Felix O. Assis, Evaspa Corporate Auditor. Colonel C. Bisaya, Evaspa Corporate Public Relations Officer.
Board of Directors. Maria Cecilia L. Galon, Evaspa Vice Chairman of the BOD. Stephen Alexis G. Balthazar, Evaspa Vice Chairman of the BOD. Annabella B. Bahit, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. Rodora A. Borja, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. Rose Naomi C. Landagan, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. Adelpa S. Sagra, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. Mayflower P. Uy, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. And Kimberly F. Zarzoa, Evaspa Board of Directors Member. The Evaspa
to our Evaspa corporate officers, this is your oath of office. So raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. Of name of your school. Having been elected as
referee ko to
of
sir.
the Eastern Visayas Association of School Paper Advisors, do hereby solemnly swear that I will faithfully discharge to the best of my ability the duties of my present position, that I have clearly understood and I will abide by the guidelines governing this organization and of the issuances of the Department of Education, and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God. Congratulations.